All right. Welcome everybody to the Digital TV Source YouTube channel. My name is Eric. Yes, Eric, aka the Digital TV Geek. Today I'm bringing you something sort of from my heart to yours, of sorts. People have been asking me, what service do you use? What service you like? What service do you recommend? So today I'm going to bring you my services I use. It's not many. I do a lot of reviews, as you see, on various TV services, but I rock with mainly three of them, and I'm going to show you my main three. All right, stay tuned, guys. I will show you those in 1 minute. I'll be right back. Hello guys, this is Digital TV Geek here. You're looking for a great service at a very, very reasonable price? Well, look no further. Studio Key TV. Here you'll find available on several Android platforms, tablets, phones, Fire Sticks, TV, and NVIDIA Shields as well. Pay-per-view, entertainment, news, kids, starting at $5 a month for one connection, 1 month, $10, 3 connections, and 6 months, $47. And with that 6 months, $47, you get one, and I say 1 month of free service. Again, check out Studio Key TV. Cut the cord, enjoy all the same channels for a fractional cost. You be the boss. Studio Key TV. All right, guys. Here we go. My main three I have up on my NVIDIA Shield here. It's no particular order, but let's start from left to right. All right. And this is my streams for us. I showed you the video how I originally got this up and running on my TV Mate application player here. Great application. I'll leave the video down below. I'll walk you through how to get this set up for this service or any other service that supplies you M3U link. Okay. This is it in a nutshell. I like it. I like this. Matter of fact, let's start here. We're looking for three main things in the TV service. You're looking for reliability, meaning the streams are usually up, if not all the time, most of the time, with little buffering or no buffering. Secondly, we're looking for customer service. Looking for some customer service. If you have a problem or issue or question, you can reach out to them and they're there to answer to you within at least 24 hours. And thirdly, and most importantly, we're looking for a price. Looking for something that's not going to overcharge us, give us a nice price, and again, good reliability and good customer service at that price. But anything else, like I say, you get what you pay for sometimes. So not always the issue, but usually it is. All right, so bear that in mind. All right, guys, this is it in a nutshell. These are my favorites. You got your NBA, you got your Marvel, Canada, US sports, as you see. They have a little video on demand section here, the releases. I like it. I like this running this application here. I run it on both my shields in my bedroom here in my office. It's good. It's nice. As you see, stream for us over 21,000 channels, and I like it. Again, it's reliability, customer service, and price. Again, I'll leave all the information down below. You can check it out yourself. All right. Let's get to Gears Reloaded, aka Gears TV, aka Reloaded TV. Now they combined, they're one big happy family. I believe they're working on a scores update. I haven't been in the Discord group, so if it is an update, somebody let me know. I've been so busy lately, but currently the feature's still in working on it. Catch up is working. Of course, you got the chat. Love this application. Got the multi-view. I only have one account, so I really can't show you the multi-view, but it's great if you like looking at TV that way. The now and next, but I usually look at it from the TV guide. It's just me. And bing, bang, boom. And these are my favorites I have here for me that I like. All right, great guide. Mayfair does its thing. It's nice. It's smooth. Again, customer service, reliability, and pricing. All right. 3 main things you should look for. All right. And this is Gears. And last but not least, shout out to my man Will, aka Legacy. I love the service. This is newest application. This is Double Agent. Now it's Agency TV here on the 3rd application. But I love the service. It's not much to it. Just gives you straight meat potatoes. No vegetable, no drink, just straight meat potatoes. But I like that. I really do. Yeah, also just gave me some discount codes as well. So look for those down below as well. So take advantage of discount codes and a great service as well. All right. Let's go to live TV. And this is on the Smarties app. But here's this looking really good. I love the background. Again, guys, it's not too much to it. This is it. That's the section. That's it. It's nothing much to it. I like it. You don't really need much. I mean, who really sits down and really watches live TV anymore? I mean, we all have our favorite programs, so forth, but after a while, we have busy schedules, so we just go to VOD, video on demand, find our favorite TV programs and movies. So, but he has them here for you. This is my favorites. Goes down, watch CNN. It pulls up fast, bang, bang. I like it. Alrighty, let's get on out of here. Alrighty, guys. Those are my 3 favorites there. In no particular order. Streams for Us, Gears Reloaded, and Agency TV, Double Agent. Alright? I'll leave all information down below for these 3 services. I enjoy very much. Hopefully you enjoy them as well, one way or the other. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I look forward to seeing your feedback about these services. Most importantly, guys, keep on loving each other. Happy streaming. Until next time. Later.